Hello. I want to do a review on my treadmill under the desk walking pad. Something I'm very excited about. I got it on my birthday in December, and I've been enjoying this treadmill. I love it. It is so convenient and easy. Taking it out the box, first of all, was very simple. I didn't even have to have my husband to help me take it out the box. Of course, he had to bring it in the house, but he didn't have to unbox it for me because it was simple. Didn't have to put anything together because it was already put together. Only thing I had to put together was the cord in the machine itself and plug it in. And it goes. Now, the only thing that I didn't I don't say that I don't like it, but it just annoys me that, because part of my OCD, the little skiggity thing on there, I don't know what it is, but it's just kind of distracting. But overall, I love my treadmill. I've enjoyed it, and I'm just going to give you a quick review on how it works. First of all, like I said, you just plug it in. There's a little outlet. The cord came with it, and you plug it in, and under here you power it on, and once you turn it on, it comes with this this little wrist remote control, and you can see that you have 3 seconds countdown before it actually starts. And when it starts, you have the speed, the time in the same location. You have your distance and you have your calories. And the remote allows you to take your speed up, and it causes the machine to move a little bit faster. And you can take it down. And during your workout, you can see that your speed and your time flashes. Those are the only two that flashes. Nothing else flashes. Your distance or nothing. But it's your speed and your time that's going to flash to keep you posted on your workout and your distance, your calorie. And hey, you jump on. Now let me show you how convenient and easy this thing is. I like the style of it because it's so thin, it's so narrow and thin. You can slide. I can slide it under my bed. Of course, I wanted to get it under the couch, but I can't get it under the couch. You can slide it under the bed. It's actually so thin, and it's just small. And I have a little small office here, and it just fits right in. And it also has the incline. That's what I love about it. The incline is a plus. Of course, it doesn't incline too much, but you have an incline. You can pull your pins and adjust your incline up or down. And I think this is high as it go. I'm not sure, but it has an incline on it, but it is inclined a little right now. And also down here, should you have your belt to drift to the left or the right, you have a little quick fix right here, that maintenance, to tell you how to get your belt back right or left. You got your maintenance, a quick fix. It's just a quick fix. I haven't had too much issue with the belt going too far to the left or to the right, but of course it's gonna drift a little bit from weight in shoes or whatnot. But like I said, it's a quick fix. And also it comes with the little wrenches that you use to adjust it if need be, and also it comes with lubricant to put under your belt to keep it lubricated. So an easy flow. And overall, I kind of really like my machine. This is like the best gift I got for my birthday in a while. And I really love my treadmill walking pad under the desk. Of course, it's not under my desk, but it's in here and I'm using it. And like I said, it's nice. It's a go. I give it a 5 star. I give it a 5-star. Once again, my OCD got me annoyed by that little scriggity thing going down, but I give it a 5. So yep, that's my review over my treadmill. Hope you guys can get anything out of my video and go out and get you one.
This is perfect for watching TV or doing work. It slides very easily underneath my bed and comes with a remote, or you use the app on your phone. Increases nicely. It's pretty quiet. My kids are asleep and they have no idea this is what mommy does at the end of the night. And then when you're ready to stop, just push the button again, and it gradually goes back down to a reasonable pace. Alright, so I'm going to review this treadmill. First of all, I do not have to get dressed up. Basically, I just have on regular clothes. Also, it is 11 o'clock at night, and this is how easy it is. The thing I love about it is it's on an incline. As you can see, my cats like to watch me do it as well. And I can watch TV like Married at First Sight while I'm using the treadmill. There's lots of other things I like about it. The fact that it's so easy and easy to store. And I'm excited that I bought it.
in here. It's like pulling a tooth. But that hurt. Yeah, that was a terrible example. Can you stop for a second? I have an idea.